Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to connect Webull to Tradingview. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Tradingview account, which of course I have done right here. And now the next thing is, how can you create an account on Tradingview? So launch in the browser of your choice. Once you do that, in the search bar of your browser, type tradingview.com, and that's going to walk you right into the official website for Tradingview. Once you get right into the website, just follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account. And after creating your account successfully, that's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Tradingview. Now let's see how we can connect Webull to Tradingview. For you to see if Webull is supported by Tradingview, you can head over to the top of this corner, the top of the screen rather. Now click on brokers and search for Webull. Now for you to be able to connect Webull to Tradingview, open up the charts of any market of your choice. How do you do that? You can go ahead and click on markets and search for any markets or use the search bar. So I'm opening up the market for Tesla. So from this Tesla chart, head over to the bottom corner. Now you see stock screener, you see Pine Editor, strategy tester, and trading panel. Now click on trading panel and scroll all the way down. Now over here you're going to click on see all brokers, and we're going to search for Webull. Now this is Webull. Now click on Webull. You have this connect button displayed here. Now by clicking connect, it means you confirm that you've read the warning and terms of use and accept all the risk. Click on connect. And that's going to take you right into the sign up page for Webull, where you can now successfully link both. So here you go. So login, mobile login or email login, you can choose any one. Your password and just go ahead and click on login, or you can just go ahead and sign up. So that's pretty much the process. You can go watch the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.